Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 9. Festivals of India. Knowledge acquisition. After completing this chapter, we will be able to know about the importance of festivals, the different types of festivals such as national, religious and harvest festivals. India is a vast country. It is famous for its unity in diversity in the world. People of many religions live together in India such as Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Jains, Buddhists, etc. All of them celebrate their festivals with great pomp and show. They celebrate their festivals simultaneously with great joys and pleasures. They decorate their homes, wear new clothes, and exchange gifts. Festivals are of three types. 1. National festivals. 2. Religious festivals. 3. Harvest festivals. 1. National festivals. The festivals, which are celebrated by the whole nation together, are called national festivals. There are three major national festivals. First, Independence Day. 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. India became independent on 15th August 1947. On this day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and addresses the nation. On this day, we remember all those brave people who sacrificed their lives fighting for the freedom of our country. Independence Day is celebrated in schools, colleges, government offices, and by other private and public organizations. Second, Republic Day. India became a democratic republic on 26th January 1950. We celebrate it as Republic Day every year. The festival is marked by a special parade held in New Delhi at Kartavya Path. The President of India takes the salute. The armed forces of our country show their strength in this parade. There are several colorful tableaus of each state and union territory are shown in the Republic Day parade in Delhi. Dances of various states are performed and hundreds of school children also participate. Children who have been awarded for acts of bravery are taken around on elephants in this parade. Celebrations to mark Republic Day are held in all states and union territories of India. Children celebrate Republic Day by hoisting the national flag in schools. Third, Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The main function is held at the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister, and others offer prayers at the Samadhi. Prayer meetings are held all over the country. 2. Religious festivals. India is a land of many religions. So, we have many religious festivals that are celebrated with joy across the country. Critical thinking. The title Mahatma to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was given by Rabindranath Tagore. First, Diwali. It is called the Festival of Lights. Diwali or Deepavali means a row of lights. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped on Diwali at night. Houses are decorated with earthen lamps, candles, and lights. The winter sets in with Diwali. Children like to set off fireworks and crackers. It is said that on this day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravana. 2. Dashehra. This festival is celebrated as the day on which Lord Rama killed Ravan. It is also known as Vijay Dashmi, the victory of good over evil. It is celebrated by burning the effigies of Ravan, his son Meghnad, and his brother Kumbhakarn. 3rd, Eid al-Fitr. It is main festival of the Muslims. People wear new clothes. They fast for a whole month during the month of Ramzan. They go to the mosque to offer namaz on this day. They greet one another. Children play with joys and pleasures. Eid al-Juha and Muharram are other festivals of the Muslim community. 4th, Christmas Day. It is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. Prayers are held in churches. Gifts are exchanged. Beautifully decorated Christmas trees are put up. Someone dresses up as Santa Claus and distributes sweets and gifts to children. 5th, Guru Parv. The Sikhs celebrate the birthdays of all their 10 gurus. These days are known as Guru Parv. Religious processions are taken out. People visit the Gurudwaras and offer prayers. Langars and sharbat or sweetened drinks are distributed at all Gurudwaras. 6th, Durga Puja. In West Bengal, Durga Puja is celebrated with great pomp and show. Goddess Durga is worshipped for 3 days. On the last day, the idols of Goddess Durga are immersed in a river or sea. 7th, Buddha Purnima. The birthday of Gautam Buddha is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. 8th, Mahavir Jayanti. The birthday of Lord Mahavir is celebrated as Mahavir Jayanti. Critical thinking. In Jainism, Diwali marks the attainment of moksha by Lord Mahavira in 527 BC. 3. Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ready for cut. First, Holi. It is the harvest festival of India. It is called the Festival of Colors. It is mainly celebrated in North India in the month of March when the weather is neither hot nor cold. Men, women and children throw colored powder called gulal and water on one another. At this time, wheat, gram, mustard, etc. are ready for harvesting. Second, Baisakhi. It is celebrated on 13th April every year. This festival is mainly celebrated in North India, particularly in Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. People in Bengal observe this day as New Year. Third, Bihu. It is the harvest festival of Assam. Special Bihu dance is organized across the state. Young girls wearing typical Assamese clothes are seen dancing in many places. Fourth, Pongal. It is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Celebration lasts for 4 days. Fifth, Onam. It is a harvest festival of Kerala. It is celebrated in the honor of King Mahabali by the people of Kerala. Continuous review. People of many religions celebrate their festivals with great pomp and show. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, etc. are the national festivals of India. Holi, Baisakhi, Bihu, Pongal and Onam are the harvest festivals of India.
Like, share and subscribe.